How you doing? Hey, man. I don't even want you to smell my hands. I was about to ask you, do it smell like bleach?
And we just took all the time.
Yeah. Oh, this cute again. You sleep this time, boy?
Come on, man.
Come on, man. What's up? Look, she on that come on shit. What's up, T? My hands smell like bleach. What up? Damn. This moist. I can't even see it on camera. Damn. It's on the door.
Yeah. I mean, we probably need a couple boats and shit.
It's moist as fuck in here.
It said on the abomination, no abomination.
Hey, that nigga Kanye went crazy on that cut too, man. That Powers.
What's one man gonna do with all that time?
What up? Say what's up, Chris. Hey, I had to do this shit before.
What?
I don't know what caused it. I think the sink was on. Something was on. I just know it was on late night shit. I came in the bathroom. What was this? It's a flood in Cleveland.
Yeah.
We gotta evacuate. Man, my hair smell like fucking chlorine. Hey, we gonna be on. Hey, I'm trying to become a YouTube celebrity. Yeah. I think I put the towel down. Hey though, but me and my niggas Tim and T, hey, we some exclusive niggas, nigga. Look, hold on, stand back, T, stand back.
What's up with that?
Look, my nigga got the basketball shorts with the plaid shirt, you dig? My nigga right here got the plaid shirt with the basketball short. The nigga right here got the plaid shirt with the basketball short. Damn, what the fuck kind of shit is that? We don't fucking know. I'm fucking wired. It's 3:30 in the morning. Motherfucker cleaning his life away. The only thing I could clean up tonight was the fucking porches. But I guess I'm gonna get up early in the morning, do the shit again. Oh, you gotta. Alright, you gotta. I know, but you gotta peep my nigga glasses. I ain't got this on YouTube. My nigga got the heli tape on the glasses. Check the other side, heli tape on the glasses. But is the size different though? The size is fucking different.
I did some niggas talk about hood. These some hood ass glasses for you. Hood ass glasses. You hear me? Hood. The hood.
Hold on, we don't know.
I don't even know.
Stop moving. Why you looking at the camera?
Hood. You see that? Hood. H-O-O-D. T-hood.
Yeah. Look at Jasmine. Look. What's up, Jasmine? Hey, girl. Heli fucking bottles. Do you see this? I want people to peep this shit, though. Heli bottles. This nigga look like he been, I don't know. Heli fucking bottles. Heli bottles. Heli bottles. Heli bottles. Heli bottles. Heli bottles. Oh, my God. Heli bottles. Heli bottles. Damn, we gotta come back here. These the fat-ass Rossi bottles. Fat-ass Rossi bottles. What the fuck do niggas be doing here? Niggas be throw here like. Oh my God. Fucking bottles. fucking bottles. I didn't either until I turned around. I don't know. You see we moving, though. We moving up out this bitch. Alright, I'm out.
Let me see that video yesterday.